let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast with Matt.
Yeah, Isabel, in store for another hot day across Northeast Ohio today. Live look downtown right now. You can see Progressive Field. Obviously some excitement over there last couple days. Looking good. It looks summer-like. I mean, it's dark right now, but you can't tell it's hot, and it certainly has been on the hot and even a little bit humid side over the last couple days, especially yesterday, up near 90 degrees. We're going to do it again today. If you liked yesterday, pretty much a carbon copy today. So we'll be pushing record highs. Our record high from 1941 is at 89 degrees, and I've got us forecast at 89. Computer model guidance, all the things us meteorologists have to help us are saying like 84, 85 today. We overachieved yesterday. I don't see why we don't do it again today. So that's why we're going a little higher today. So we'll see what happens. Always fun. I always like to, I'm a nerd, but I like to track the temperatures as we go throughout the afternoon. I'll be looking at the hourlies to see if we hit 89. We could even hit 90 today. And the reason why, we've got a pretty nice jump start. We're in the 70s in a lot of locations right now. The urban heat island effect is in full force this time of year. You get the sun beating down on pavement and concrete, and that pavement and concrete stores that heat. That's why we're so much warmer downtown. Where you don't have a lot of pavement, you got a lot of trees and fields out in the country, it's a little bit cooler. All of us will get up into the upper 80s this afternoon as that atmosphere starts to mix itself up. And in terms of dew points, this measures how muggy it feels. It's really not that bad. We've got some humidity around, but this isn't July-like levels of humidity. So it's hot heat, but not a sweltering hot heat, if that makes sense. We have an air quality alert across our northern counties. This goes through the entire day today. This happens anytime in the summertime when you have hot, stagnant air masses. So it's not unusual. We have it. If you have asthma or you're sensitive to poor air quality, you'll be having some issues today. It might be best to stay indoors during the peak heating of the day. In terms of the weather map, we've got a series of frontal boundaries out towards the north. These have been the focus for big old showers and thunderstorms the last couple days. South of that front, you get the heat. That's where we are right now. But this frontal boundary out towards the west, that's the one with legs on it. That's going to sweep all this heat out of here. And out ahead of that, you've got some big storms that are going to fire up. Today's severe weather threat is a big one for areas of Iowa and western Illinois. All that severe weather, at least the threat for it, is going to shift east into Ohio tomorrow. So here's how it evolves. Big time storms out west of Chicago later on this afternoon. Those will roll through Chi-Town later on this evening. That whole line will move in, but during the morning hours tomorrow. So we'll probably just have an interval of clouds, maybe some leftover raindrops, but no storm threat tomorrow morning. The big question is, once that line gets out of here, do we get more thunderstorm development, or is most of the forcing or reason for the air to lift east of us? We could have a day tomorrow where we don't have storms at all. Or we could have a day tomorrow where we get some big-time storms because the atmosphere is loaded. So big questions right now revolving around if we get storms to develop tomorrow. Your National Zymarn hour-by-hour forecast shows the hot day today. Can't rule out a few pop-up downpours this afternoon. We had them in Sandusky yesterday. But as we go in the daytime tomorrow, the big threat is going to be do storms develop. So we do have a weather impact day tomorrow. We'll have to watch tomorrow, especially afternoon into the evening for that severe storm threat. Just make sure you have a way to get warnings as of right now. Behind that, we turn drier briefly before more humidity comes back Friday, Saturday, and it does look to dry out, at least humidity-wise, for Memorial Day. Guards taking on the Mets tonight. Stray thunderstorm can't be ruled out, but most of the game should be dry. Long ranger forecast, we're going to have shower and thunderstorm chances around pretty much every day for your Memorial Day weekend. What would Memorial Day weekend be like without thunderstorm chances? Best chance as of right now looks to be Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then again as we go into Sunday night and Monday morning. Your Medina Country Club 7-day forecast keeps us nice and summery through the duration. We do turn a little bit cooler, though. We're not talking near 90-degree temperatures for Memorial Day. Dave and Danita.
All right, Matt, thank you. 5